Making money online in Kenya is no longer something that sounds distant or complicated. It has become a real and practical way for many people to earn a living or support their daily needs. With just a smartphone, internet connection, and a little consistency, many Kenyans are now earning from the comfort of their homes or even while moving around. The rise of mobile money, especially M-Pesa, has made it even easier because payments can be received quickly, sometimes within minutes. This has created a strong interest in websites that offer instant or near-instant payments. Many people in Kenya are looking for ways to earn at least a few hundred shillings per day. Some want to pay bills, others want to save, and many are simply trying to survive in a tough economy. Online platforms have stepped in to fill this gap. These platforms offer different types of work such as answering surveys, completing small online tasks, sharing content on social media, or even earning passively. What makes them attractive is that most of them do not require special skills to start. Anyone willing to learn and stay consistent can benefit. One of the most popular ways Kenyans are earning online is through surveys. Platforms that offer surveys allow users to answer simple questions about products, services, or opinions. These questions are usually easy and take only a few minutes to complete. In return, users earn money that can be withdrawn to M-Pesa. Some surveys pay as little as 20 shillings, while others can pay up to 1,500 shillings depending on their length and complexity. The key is to complete as many surveys as possible and to always provide honest answers. Over time, this can add up to a decent amount of money. Another growing method is completing small online tasks. These tasks can include things like taking photos of shops, checking prices of products in your local area, verifying business locations, or even testing mobile applications. The good thing about these tasks is that they often pay more than surveys. A single task can pay between 50 shillings and 500 shillings. For someone who moves around a lot, such as a student or a boda rider, this can be a very good opportunity. You simply complete tasks as you go about your normal day. Social media has also become a powerful tool for making money online. Many companies are now using everyday people to promote their products or services. You do not need thousands of followers to start. Even with a small audience on WhatsApp, Instagram, or Twitter, you can still earn. You may be asked to post a message, share a link, or create simple content. Payments for these activities can range from 500 shillings to 3,500 shillings per campaign. This is especially attractive for young people who are already active on social media. There are also international platforms that allow Kenyans to earn money online. These platforms offer surveys, microtasks, and sometimes freelance work. Payments are usually made through PayPal, which can then be withdrawn to M-Pesa. Although the process may take slightly longer than local platforms, the earning potential is often higher. Some users report earning several thousand shillings per month by working consistently. The important thing is to choose tasks carefully and avoid wasting time on low-paying offers. Passive income is another interesting option that is becoming popular. Some apps allow you to earn money without actively working all the time. For example, you can install an app that uses your unused internet data and pays you for it. Once installed, the app runs in the background while you go about your normal activities. The earnings may not be very high, usually between 500 shillings and 1,000 shillings per month, but it requires almost no effort. For many people, this is a good way to earn extra income without stress. Affiliate marketing is another powerful method that can generate higher income over time. This involves promoting products online and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. You can share these links on social media, blogs, or even WhatsApp groups. The more people who buy through your link, the more you earn. Some affiliates in Kenya are making over 20,000 shillings per month. However, this method requires patience, consistency, and some basic understanding of marketing. While these opportunities are real, it is very important to be careful. There are many scams online that promise quick money, but end up stealing from people. One common warning sign is a platform that asks you to pay a registration fee. Legitimate websites do not ask for money to join. Another red flag is promises of very high returns with little effort. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always do some research before joining any platform and read reviews from other users. Consistency is the most important factor in making money online. Many people try for a few days and then give up when they do not see immediate results. The truth is that online income builds over time. You need to be active every day, complete tasks, check for new opportunities, and improve your skills. Even if you start by earning just 100 shillings per day, it can grow into something bigger with time. It is also a good idea to use multiple platforms instead of relying on just one. This increases your chances of finding more opportunities and earning more money. For example, you can do surveys in the morning, complete tasks during the day, and post social media content in the evening. By combining different methods, you can increase your total income significantly. Having a good internet connection and a reliable smartphone can also make a big difference. Slow internet can cause frustration and reduce the number of tasks you can complete. Investing in a decent device and data plan can help you work more efficiently. In the long run, this can lead to higher earnings. Another important tip is to withdraw your earnings regularly. Do not leave money in your online account for too long. This reduces the risk of losing your money in case the platform experiences problems. Most platforms have low withdrawal limits, so you can cash out frequently without any issues. For those who want to take things to the next level, learning digital skills can open even more opportunities. Skills such as writing, graphic design, video editing, and social media management are in high demand. These skills can help you move from small tasks to higher-paying freelance jobs. Although this requires some time and effort to learn, the rewards can be much greater. The journey of making money online in Kenya is different for everyone. Some people start small and grow slowly, while others find success quickly. What matters most is your attitude and willingness to learn. If you stay patient, avoid scams, and keep improving, you can turn online work into a reliable source of income. In conclusion, the digital world has opened many doors for Kenyans who are willing to explore and take action. Whether you choose surveys, tasks, social media, passive income, or affiliate marketing, there is an opportunity for you. Start with what you have, stay consistent, and keep learning. Over time, those small earnings can grow into something meaningful and life-changing.